Mandatory credit courses for award of BSc degree under Savitribai Phule Pune University. Rules and regulations for UG choice-based credit system are given on website unipune.ac.in. So this is PDF file. On page 7, detailed instructions about mandatory credit courses are given. So total 9 groups are there. Before that some instructions are there. So we'll see these instructions one by one. In addition of compulsory credits of 132, the student has to earn additional 8 credits from group 1 to 9. Courses in group 1 are compulsory. The students can earn maximum 4 credits from an individual group from group 2 to group 9. These extra credits will not be considered for GPA calculation. However, these are mandatory for completion and award of BSc degree. Group 1, it is compulsory physical education at FY-BSc semester 1 for 1 credit and semester 2 for 1 credit. Out of 8 credits, they will get 2 credits from physical education and they have to earn 6 credits from group 2 to group 9. We will see all these groups one by one. Group 2, sport representation at college level, 1 credit. Sport representation at university or state level, 2 credits. Group 3, National Social Services, NSS scheme, participation in camp, 1 credit. NCC with participation in annual camp, 1 credit. NCC with B certificate or C certificate award, 2 credits. NSS or NCC Republic Day Parade participation, that is for 4 credits. Group 4, Avishkar participation, extension activity participation, cultural activity participation, 1 credit. Avishkar selection at university level, 2 credits. Avishkar winner at state level, 4 credits. Group 5, research paper presentation at state or national level, 1 credit. And research paper presentation at international level, 2 credits. Now, we will discuss more about group 6 to 9. Teachers are requested to give more options or suggestions to perform these activities from group 6 to 9. Some options are given here. You can also suggest suitable changes. Group 6, participation in summer school program, short-term course, not less than 1 week duration, that is for 3 credits. We know that for each theory credit is equivalent to 15 clock hours and each practical credit is equivalent to 30 clock hours. We have to design this course. One example is given here. Design and conduct short-term course of learning through hands-on activity for 3 credits. So it includes theory for 1 credit and practical work for 2 credits. In theory course, we have to arrange lectures on various topics based on learning through hands-on activity. It may be online or regular lecture in classroom. Link of some videos are given here and teachers are requested to add more links of informative and innovative lectures based on hands-on activity. Practical work, that is for 2 credits. Step 1. to perform hands-on activity. Each student has to select and perform hands-on activity under the guidance of teacher or expert. If possible, make a distribution of hands-on activities in all BSc subjects. Step 2. To write project report. Use A4 size paper to write report, maximum 5 pages. Format to make project report is given below. Title of the project, principle of the hands-on activity and concept behind it, working, observations, readings, and conclusions if any. Step 4. Applications of the project and extension work if any. Explain project by considering above steps and make its video, maximum 10 minutes. Check the project report and video from your guide. Upload video on YouTube. Send YouTube link to the guide. Group 7. Scientific survey, social survey for 2 credits. Teachers are requested to suggest scientific survey and social survey in various topics so that students should able to perform particular task and collect valuable information. Write your suggestion on the mail. Group 8. Field visits, study tours, industrial visit, participation in curricular, co-curricular competitions. So this is for 1 credit. Teachers are requested to suggest various options. One option is given here. Study tour at Science Center. All departments in the college arrange common study tour at Science Center. Students will able to perform various experiments at Science Center and they will write project report by selecting different group of experiments in various subjects. Website of few Science Center are given here. Science Park, Savitribai Phule Pune University. Then Pimpri Chinchwad Science Park and Nehru Science Center, Mumbai. Group 9, that is for 4 credits. Online certificate courses, MOOC courses, career advancement courses up to 4 credits, minimum 10 hours per credit. Teachers are requested to give more links of online certificate courses. 2 examples are given here. Physics course by H.C. Verma, website is given, and design of home solar system by Professor Solanki, IIT Mumbai. Teachers are requested to suggest more options. Thank you.